Hi friends, we are back again. We are back again from Tuffy's Telecom South Delhi Smartphone Center. Uh, we had a customer calling to us to visit us at his premises for an on-site repair, which we do not entertain. So, by understanding our reviews on the Google and on our business, he was a recommended customer. He has decided to send his iPhone 7 for a speaker issue. So this video will talk about his speaker issue replacement. Here is the phone. So this is the phone. We have tested by a call or two to the other user, and yes, definitely there is a low hearing volume on the speaker point. So we will just unbox, or I will say we will just release this iPhone LCD and go into it and come to the state point of the speaker component. So this is the inside of an iPhone 7. Our earlier videos must have also shown you. This is the base side, the battery, and then the speaker location where the issue has been actually working upon. It is located at the LCD panel, joined with a string point there going to the base. So we'll just start function. We'll dismantle it from the base point and then work exclusively on towards the speaker issue. So the base point is now been placed separately. We do not need that for the moment to work upon. This is the place we are going to work upon. This is the speaker we are talking about. So a focus has been made for you especially to show you where the component lies. And now we will start working upon the speaker point. So it has been unbolted now. There comes the last screw out from this, and it is about to be opened, and this will remove the jacket of the speaker, and here it is, the speaker of the iPhone 7.